He don't care.
Okay, so this is a little Schnauzer. We're getting a Schnauzer finish cut. He's already had his cut and his bath prior to his finish cut. This is a finish cut on him. We're going to get him done. He's a good boy. His name's Track. Just a little Schnauzer. Say, I'm a rescue dog. Say, I've been rescued. Somebody was mean to me. He's just a really good boy, though. Here's his finished cut. You laughing at your dog?
Yeah.